Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix cannot send audio message at this time error message on your iPhone. Generally, this happens if you go into your messages, tap on a message, click on the plus icon, and then you try to send the audio message and it should start recording. But sometimes it may say you cannot send it or cannot send audio message at this time. In that case, you're going to follow these steps. Very first thing is pull down that top menu, put your phone on airplane mode, and then turn it off. It does a quick network refresh to make sure that internet is good. Now also you want to consider is switching between your Wi-Fi and cellular data. So if you're using cellular data, try to connect to Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, turn that off and try to use your option for cellular data, as sometimes the internet connection could be a big reason why you can't send an audio message. Now the next thing you want to check out is the actual settings. So in your settings, you're going to go to privacy and security. And then under privacy and security, you're going to look for your microphone here, right on your microphone. And if you need to give access to messages, it will show up. Make sure you give access, or you can go back here and go to apps and then look for your messages app. So let's go ahead and M section here, messages. And if for this one, you're going to want to check the permission. Sometimes if you see a message permission here, you want to make sure you enable for the microphone. But more importantly, where it says send as text, you need to turn that on. Especially the person receiving it doesn't have basically iMessage as well. So you want to turn this on and go ahead and try. Now, another thing you also want to go ahead and do is going to be this option where you're going to go ahead and turn messages, iMessage off, and then turn it back on. That's going to go ahead and resync your messages as well. Now, that will not go ahead and delete any of your messages, just basically turning on and off iMessage, which is important to do. Now, let's say you're doing all this, still not working. Just simply swipe up, make sure you close out the messages app completely, and then relaunch it, and then go ahead and try. Now, if it's not working, sometimes you may need to first send a message to them and then try it. So if you didn't send a message first to make sure they're receiving that message, and then try to send them a thing. Now, other things you also want to go ahead and do is going to be just simple restart of your iPhone. So you're going to do is press and hold the volume up and the side button together, just like this, and then slide to power off, and then turn it back on with this power button or plug it into a charger. If that didn't work, you can also pull down the top menu. There's a power option in this corner here. You can just tap on that, slide to power off, and then turn it back on. Now, if you're still having the issue, the other thing you want to consider doing is updating your phone's software. So in your setting, go to General, Software Update. Update if there is an update to the latest version to make sure it's not a bug from a previous version. Now, if you're still having the issue, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is in your setting, go to General, and then click on Transfer Reset iPhone. Click on Reset, and you want to do a network setting reset. Now, a network setting reset just resets the network settings themselves. It will not delete any of your data, but an important last step to do. So those are all the little fixes, and I hope it helped you send now audio messages after that. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, and thanks for watching.